What's going on, muscle monsters? Alain Gonzalez here, and today I want to talk about why naturally skinny guys should in fact train for strength if the goal is overall muscle mass. All right, now I'm not saying you should train like a power lifter or do singles, doubles, and triples and focus on the big three. That's not what I'm saying at all. All right, what I'm saying is that unless we are progressively getting better, we're not going to get bigger. All right, so the number one reason that we grow is progressive overload, right? So if we are bench pressing 135 pounds today for 3 sets of 10, and then next week we're doing 140 for the same 3 sets of 10, we have gotten stronger and we've stimulated new growth, okay? Just the same way we could use the same weight, 135 pounds, for 3 sets of 12. This is an increase in strength, right? Because if you were able to do 3 sets of 10 before, but now you can do 3 sets of 12 with the same weight, you've gotten stronger. This is progressive overload. This is what we should aim for if we want to gain overall mass. Now, let's also talk about training heavier. The reason we want to train heavier, and the reason why a lot of the top programs have you training in the 3 to 5 rep range, is because that increases strength. If we train this heavy, right, with a weight that we can do for 3 to 5 reps and it's challenging, then we are going to maximize our strength gains. All right, and the reason we want to do that is because when we get stronger in the 3 to 5 rep range, we also get stronger in the 8 to 12 rep range. So if you can bench press more for 5 reps, chances are you're going to be able to do your 12 reps with a heavier load. And this is what's going to increase overall volume, which is the main goal of your training, to gradually do more volume. All right, this is again why I recommend that we train for strength. And when I say train for strength, I simply mean in a way that allows us to get better. So if you want to get better, you have to focus on doing better than you did last week. And a great way to do this is by training with heavier loads so that you can then get stronger and thus push more weight when you're doing your volume work. So if you're looking for a full-on training program that has everything already set for you and you don't have to do any guesswork, then I'm still giving away my free book, Bulk Up Fast, where I don't even have a copy with me, but if you go to the link in the description, you're going to be able to get one for free. It's going to be delivered straight to your doorstep. All you have to do is cover the shipping. I've already paid for the book, and I have one specifically for you with your name on it if you want one. But hurry, because once these are gone, they're gone for good. Now, you'll be able to get it later if you wanted to pay full price on Amazon. You're more than welcome, but if I have some free copies left, you might as well grab one now, and we will talk soon.